Hi, welcome to my UART communication course. If you want to learn about UART transmission from zero and write down a VHDL code, and I will explain you about my design and everything within this document about the physical layer of a UART, about the packets, and everything you need to know in order to communicate with UART with your FPGA. I will share with you my design for the UART transceiver, and we will go through the UART transmitter and receiver. We will also simulate the design, of course, and I will show you everything you need to know and explain you about serial communication, and specifically in this course about UART transmission. This course is one of 3 courses about serial communications, so you're welcome to join my course and start learning from zero how to write down your UART controller from zero. So you're welcome to join my course and start writing down your UART VHDL code from zero.